Meaning of goody-goody.
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 Goody-goody. The term goody-goody is often used to describe someone who is overly virtuous or moralistic, to the point of being insincere or annoying. This person may be seen as overly eager to please authority figures, or excessively self-righteous in their behavior. The negative connotations associated with this term imply that such individuals may lack authenticity, and may be motivated by a desire for approval rather than genuine principles. Ultimately, being labeled goody-goody suggests a lack of balance or nuance in one's approach to morality and ethical behavior.